Hi, my name is Veronica Cruz, and I'm from the village of Chinampago.
So this song I wrote a couple years ago. It's during the pandemic, but I wrote it with a bunch of other songs.
And it was kind of touching on the topic of how I viewed what was going on around me in the world.
One of those songs I didn't really think about the impact of it until much later. Decolonization to me begins with the self, decolonization of the mind, and unlearning a lot of the limiting conditioning that our people have gone through. This idea that we're not capable of determining our own destiny, thinking that we always have to go out for answers rather than looking within, because that's where it starts. And I think as long as we come from a place of authenticity and vulnerability, our future will be good, you know? The future will happen either way.
I've been accustomed to what they say, to myself inside out, to fit their ways. I've tried to tell them it's not my mold. Got my hands in a tight grip hold, and now I know that I don't know much, conditioned not to feel, see or touch. Got rid of kindness, it plays no part. Put up a wall inside your heart, but that's not the way it all goes. It's the dream we were sold. See, that's not the way it all goes. It's the dream we were sold. And as we're sleeping, stuck in this dream, built on a false reality, can you escape it if you try? Play the game, call it life, but that's not the way it all goes. It's the dream we were sold. See, that's not the way it all goes. It's the dream we were sold. And
think independence will change the way we live by empowering us, by giving us the ability to live on an island we want to live on, according to what we feel is right for us and for our community. And that's different for everybody, and that's where compromise and communication comes into play. But I think we come together, we can really create something special and something different and unique to us. But empowering each other is so important.